In this video, I will be talking about how I created an AI-powered medicine assistant Chrome extension with medicine reminder for a hackathon, and I will take you through the journey from finding an idea to building solution to again facing problem and then again finding and solving those problems. I will also take you through the code so you can refer it later to learn. At the end, I will share the results of the hackathon, so make sure you watch this video till the end.
Hi, my name is Devo Sajimal and I am a final year engineering student at Indian Institute of Information Technology, Vadodara, and an upcoming software engineer at one of the biggest companies in India. And on this channel, I create videos related to web development, tutorials, tips and tricks, and other informative videos for students and working professionals in tech. So if you are interested in these topics, make sure you subscribe to this channel.
So I participated in a hackathon some months back, and the hackathon had 6 themes like blockchain, healthcare, AR/VR, MLAI, fintech. So from those I found healthcare relevant and I had one idea in mind, so I chose that topic. I only had one day to create the solution as I was doing internship. So had only one day as off, and the idea which I had in the mind was too big. So I sat down with pen and paper and started to write only the main features. So the problem which I was trying to solve was for IT professionals, as they sit on the chairs for almost whole day and their posture is not good all the time. So they face back pain and they stare screen for long hours. So they face eye strain. Some of them due to work pressure forget to take medicines. So my idea was simple, to create a medicine reminder Chrome extension, but you can use it for reminding anything like drinking water, take breaks, take medicine, etc. This looks easy to create, so I sat down, and as I had already created Chrome extensions before, I had pretty good idea of how to create a Chrome extension. So one of the important files in creating a Chrome extension is manifest file, where you have to write some info about your extension, such as the application name, the version, manifest version, description. If you have icon, then write the icon file name, and then you have to declare which is the starting point of your application. If your application needs some permissions like alarm, notification or storage, then you have to write them in the permissions section in a JSON format. If your application runs in the background, then you have to declare the script which runs in the background, so you have to declare that also. After creating that, I created a basic HTML and CSS structure of the app, where I simply use the table for setting time and message field to display a message which user can enter, and added a button to submit the form. Then I use CSS to make it look good. Later I realized that what I set is gone after I set it, and now I don't know what did I set. So later I displayed the time and message in the app. So after you set, you can see what you set. Idea was to use inbuilt alert box for notification, but for some reason it didn't work, and I tried alarm system, that too didn't work. So finally I decided to use pop-up, and it worked. I used local storage to store the time and message, and there was one issue. So whenever you close the extension, it used to get closed completely and it didn't remind it, and to get it work I had to keep it open. So I thought I will deal with this later. Till now I had spent good enough time to create this much, but I wasn't satisfied, as this was looking simple reminder application where you can set reminder for just anything. It had nothing to do with medicine. So I also added a name, add medicine reminder, and now it is somewhat relevant to healthcare, but it is not exciting yet. This can't make me win hackathon, so I have to think of some more awesome functionality, and I did some idea listing, and with online tool generated a voice which said new medicine reminder and added it to get it work. But there is again a little issue. The voice came after I clicked on pop-up, so essentially the voice of no use, but I kept it there just as a useless feature. Still it is not looking cool. Then I had an idea, as I have already worked with AI and created many applications with AI, then why don't I use it in the app to create a AI health advisor. As I have already created many applications with AI, it was very easy for me to make it work. So I added an input box and button to ask a question to AI related to health, and it worked. And after that I released the backend of the AI to online server, and it worked even when I wasn't running on my laptop locally. Cool. Now it looked a little nicer, and a secret tip is you can ask anything to the AI, not just related to health. But don't tell it to anyone. I was getting out of time and I quickly pushed all the code to GitHub and submitted my project in the hackathon after creating a demo of the application and writing a README file on GitHub to let the judges test the extension on their browser. Just 5 minutes away. After that, I waited for the next day for results to get declared, and I was very little confident that my project will win any reward. But there was hope, as I had used AI, and AI is very buzzing word in the market nowadays, so I might win something. But they delayed the result by the next day. I got more excited. In the next day, the results were out, and I didn't won anything. No worries, as my application also had some bugs which I couldn't solve in one day. Prizes was won by AR/VR guys, and I saw their application, and as I have done game development, I know those AR/VR applications were just very basic. Anyone can create within 1 hour or two using Vuforia SDK. That moment I felt a little bad, as I thought I could have got something at least, but no worries, I will try next. Also, I will link down the GitHub repo in the description. You may check out to learn from it. And yeah, this was exciting Sunday where I tried to create something to solve real problem, and I was somewhat successful in it. I have also created videos on creating a WhatsApp chatbot and other applications using ChatGPT, Merge, Stack Project, GetUserB courses for free videos, and many other informative videos which you can watch next, or you may browse to my YouTube channel to get more value adding content. Bye.